Today we'll be creating a grinding script for Kingdom Hearts Birth by Sleep in order to reach level 99 with every single character. To reach level 99, you'll need 2,300,000 experience, and as you see right here, I only have 50,000 experience. For the grinding method that I have, that's most common, you get about 1,200 experience per run, which means you need about 2,000 runs. Now, luckily, each run only takes about 30 seconds, but that still means if you play it optimally, that's 17 hours of straight playtime, which is just way too much. So this is a great thing to grind. So, let's showcase what the grinding method is going to be. So here, in Radiant Garden, is the reactor room, where a group of enemies spawn. You cast Mega Flare once, they all die, wait for the second wave, cast it again. There's your 1,200 experience. Now you leave the room, go back in, and the enemies respawn. So, it's a great opportunity, great place to grind. And also, very easy to write a script for this. So, I've got my recorder up, so we'll go ahead and start it by pressing Control R. Before we get that, first of all, we need to know, since we're using a controller normally to play the game, we gotta find out what the keys are. So, looking here at the keyboard configuration, and what we're interested in is this use command, which is the F key, and then the move character forward, backward, left, and right, the WASD. So, very basic, easy controls. Alright. So now we start up our scripts, now that we know what keys we need. Start recording. So we have press S to move back into the reactor, wait for the screen to load, press A a few times, there we go, line up with the center here, move forward, move back a bit, and Mega Flare. Wait for the enemies to die, and Mega Flare. Okay, and we move back with S. And there we go. Very easy script. So now we'll take our recorded inputs and paste it in. Clean this up. Alright. Now, of course, we just got to make sure we actually start from the correct place. So we'll come back here. Put my mouse right here on these pipes. This is a very easy spot to find. And we'll do Control W to find that area. Okay. Come back to our script. Place this pixel search part with those pipes. Right. And we can save that. Now we can reload our script, enter the game, and Control J to run. Make sure it runs properly, then we can debug later if needed. Alright, we actually did have a problem, but we'll actually address that later. But pretty easy script, not very hard to run. And that's it. Enjoy grinding to level 99.